Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Toyota HiLux Extra-Cab SR5, stock reference number 5346. This shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 1kd, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 1kd, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, chrome with indicator type, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted sports bar and tonneau cover, soft tonneau with all fittings, left hand tail light, tailgate has 2 small dents, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror in chrome with indicator type, and right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-switch type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, transfer shifter, climate control, heating controls, factory sat nav, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.